4.6. Describe the significance of Einstein's assumption of the consistency of the speed of light. So in the previous video, you would have looked at the Michelson-Morley experiment. You also would have looked at the Michelson-Morley experiment definitely in my class when we demonstrated it in practical. And we know that was a null result or a negative result. So they did not find ether, and that was basically fundamental for Einstein's theories later on about relativity and special relativity, in which we just learned. So the absence of ether meant that the velocity of light was constant in all directions under all circumstances. So this means that the speed of light's velocity, or the velocity of speed of light, is a constant, and under all circumstances will be a constant. Okay, that's the key thing that you need to know about this dot point here. So this successfully accounted for the null results of the Michelson-Morley experiment, as the consistency of speed of light led to no change in the interference pattern when the experimental apparatus was rotated 90 degrees on that mercury disk. Okay, and I've talked about that several times in class. So the principles of this theory can be summarized by two major ideas. That the velocity of light has a constant value of c, 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, regardless of the relative motion of the source and the observer. And number two, all inertial frames of reference are equal, and no inertial frame of reference is truer than others.